Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see configuring an email server in Cisco Packet Tracer. Now here is list of required devices. We are going to use 2911 router, 2960 switch. After that, as an email server, we are going to use the server PD and two PCs. IP address table we are going to use is this one. For router, we are going to set the interface gigabit Ethernet of 00. Again, here we will set IP address for this router as 192.168.1.1. Again, email server will have fast Ethernet with this IP address 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask will get automatically generated, and here we are going to pass the default gateway 192.168.1.1, and the same default gateway we are going to use for email server PC1 and PC. By using these devices, we are going to create a topology like this. Here we'll connect one switch to router, again for server, and we are going to use two PCs. This will be PC0 and this is PC1. So when we are using this server as an email server, at that time we will be able to send email from this PC0 to PC1 or from PC1 to PC0. So let's start with video. So within search box, just type Cisco Packet Tracer. Now see, here it is showing Cisco Packet Tracer. So just double click on it. Now friends, if you are not installed Cisco Packet Tracer, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Cisco Packet Tracer. Now friends, if you want to change the font size, then you can change it by using this. First we have to select Options tab, then Preferences. After that, select the font, increase the font size as per your requirement. Like this you can increase, and just click on Apply button. Okay, so that font size will get increased. Now it's time to create the topology. If you select towards the bottom left corner, you will get the list of network devices, end devices, different connections which we are going to use here. So first, if you click on this network devices, again here it will show the different network devices, router, switches, hubs, again wireless devices. Now see, if I click on router, again it will show the list of sub-routers available. It will show the, once I click on router, it will show the list of different types of routers available. If I click on switch, again it will show the different list of switches from where you can select your devices. So what we will do, first click on this network devices. Within network devices, I am going to use the router. So click on router. Again from the router, I am going to use 2911 router. So just I will select this and just drag and drop the required router. After this, I want to use switch. So I will click on switch. Again, it will show the list of switch available. So we are going to use 2960 switch. So just drag and drop the required switch. Now see, as per your requirement, you can move these devices also. Just you have to drag and drop. After this, we are going to use this server. So I will click on end devices. Again from end devices, here it is showing the list of end devices. So from that I will select one PC, PC0 and PC5. Okay. Also we need a server. So I will select the server, which will be email server. If you want to give name to this server, again you can select the node. and just click here. So you can give the name as email server. And again you have to click here so that that option will get disabled. Now we'll set the IP addresses by using this IP address table. Now here router is having gigabit Ethernet of 00 with IP address 192.168.1.1. So here just double click on router. So just double click on router. Again select the configuration gigabit Ethernet of 00. First you have to switch it on. After that give the IP address. Here we are going to refer the IP address table. So IP address will be 192.168.1.1. Okay. And if you click here, subnet mask will get generated automatically. Now close this window. Now next IP address will set for the email server, and IP address will be 192.168.1.10, and interface we are going to use as a fast Ethernet. Also we are going to pass the default gateway, that is 192.168.1.1. So again click on the server, desktop, select the desktop tab. From that select the IP configuration option. From IP configuration pass the IP address 192.168.1.10. Again just click in this field, subnet mask will get generated automatically, and our default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Now see, I will copy this default gateway so that I can use it later. Now close this window. Again select the PC0. Again select the desktop, IP configuration. Again see here interface is fast Ethernet. So IP address is 192.168.1.11. Just click here, subnet mask will get generated automatically, and default gateway is same, so it is 192.168.1.1. Now close this window. Now select the PC1, desktop, then select the IP configuration, and here interface is fast Ethernet 0. So IP address for this PC1 is 192.168.1.12. Just click here, subnet mask will get generated automatically, and default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Now close this window. Now we'll create the connections for this. Now friends, you can see here this icon is for connections, and once you click here it will show the list of connections available here. If you are getting confused which connection to select, so what you can do, you can select this first one, that is automatic choose connection type. Then you can select this. So just you have to press the control and just select this button, connection type, and just drag and drop the connections and just establish the connection between the devices. Okay, again you can click here so that connection option will get disabled. Now select the server. Please select the services tab. Within services tab you have to select email. Within email you have to on this SMTP servers, simple mail transfer protocol, and post office protocol. This SMTP is used to send the email, and POP service is used to receive the emails. So we need to set both the services on. After that, domain name. Here, suppose we are taking the domain name as a gmail.com. Again, user, suppose I am using the user 1 with password 123. You can now click on this plus button so that user 1 will get added. Now add the user 2. User 2, suppose password is 456 and add. You can add it. If you want to change, you can change the username and password also. For that, just you have to select the user and you have to select this change button. Now close this window. Now select the PC 0. Again select the desktop. From the desktop, select email. Now here you have configure mail details. For that, suppose I'm giving name as Deepali, email address. So here you can give user1 @gmail.com. Incoming server and outgoing server is same, that is 192.168.1.10. Now if you see the IP address table, email server is having IP address as 192.168.1. So I'm passing same incoming and outgoing address, and here user 1 with password 123. You can set your username and password as per your choice. So just save this. Now select the PC 1. Here also select the option email. Then add your name. Suppose I am adding the name as Shahida. Email address as user2 @gmail.com. Again, incoming server, we have to pass the same IP address 192.168.1.10, and outgoing mail server. Same address of the server you have to pass here. Now username will be user to logon information. So here no need to pass email ID, just pass the username, the user 2, and password will be 456 and save. Now we want to check the connection. We want to check the reachability from machine 0, this PC 0 to PC 1. For that purpose, what we'll do, we'll use the ping command. So just click on this PC 0. After that, within desktop tab, you will get the option command prompt. Just click on it. Now see, I want to send message from PC 0 to PC 1. Means we'll use ping command to check reachability from PC 0 to PC 1. So what I will do, the syntax of ping command is you are supposed to write the ping and you are supposed to write the destination address, means to whom you want to send the address. So I need IP address for PC 1. So PC 1 is having IP address as 192.168.1.12. So I will use 192.168.1.12 and just press the enter key. Now see, it is showing packet sent 4, received 4. Means from PC 0 to PC 1 you can send the messages. Now we will check reachability from PC 1 to PC 0. Again use the command prompt. Again type the command ping. Now see, I want to send message from PC 1 to PC 0. My PC 0 is destination machine. So I need to pass address for PC 0. So I will pass 192.168.1.10. 11 and just press the enter key. Now see, it is showing packet sent, received 4, lost 0. Means you can send messages from PC 0 to PC 1. Now this is one way to check the reachability. Again, you can check the reachability by using PDUs also. Select the PDU, then select the source machine and then destination machine. Now see, here it is showing success. Again, select the PCU. Suppose I want to send message from PC 1, that is my source machine. Again, click here on PC 0. Here it is showing success. Means just you have to select the PDU, then you have to select the source machine, then destination machine. Now friends, we'll see how to send paste email from one machine to another machine. Now we'll send the email. For that purpose, select the PC 0. Again, from this desktop tab, select the email. Now we want to compose email, so just click on this compose. Now see, from user 1, I want to send email to user. So I will write here email ID user2 @gmail.com and subject test email, or anything you can give the subject. So I will write message, hello, how are you? Okay. So just click on this send button. Now see, here it is showing status send success, and here it is showing IP address of server. Just close this window. Now we will open the PC 1 and we want to check whether that email is received or not. For that purpose, again select the email. Again, just you have to click on this receive, so that you will be able to see the received email. Again, double click on this. You will be able to read the content of this email. Now see, I want to send the reply. So select the reply. Okay. And to user 1, I want to send the message. Subject reply to test email. So I will send the reply. Hello, I am fine. Thank you. Okay. You can select this option, or you can compose email from here also and just click on send. Okay. If you don't want to reply, you want to create new message, again you can click on this compose mail and you can send the email. Okay. Now I will close this window. Just click on send. You will be able to see the status. So just I will check whether that email is received on user 1 or not. So just double click on this PC0 email and just click on receive. Okay. Just if you want to read this email, just click on this. Here you will be able to read the reply. Hello, I am fine. Thank you. So in this way, you can configure email server in Cisco Packet Tracer. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.